Hello, hello, how is everyone? What makes you special? Because the only thing that we all have in common is being human. Everybody is different or unique. What a person looks like on the outside has nothing to do with what a person looks on the inside. Every person has special talents, special qualities. What would happen if everyone was great at sports and everyone wanted to become an athlete and no one wanted to become a construction worker? What would happen if everyone was great at art and no one wanted to become a doctor? What would happen if everyone was great at science and wanted to become a researcher and no one wanted to become a teacher? One of the things that I teach children with Adventure in Wisdom is honor your uniqueness. Honoring your uniqueness, it is one of the greatest gifts that you can give to yourself. Have you ever watched young children at play? They are completely inhibited. They laugh, they play, they dance, they scream, they cry, without thinking, worrying what other people are thinking or saying. Two small children enjoying each other without noticing the difference between them, because they are full love, they are light, they are energy. However, as children grow up, they get older, they start to notice that not all children are alike. Children look different, children act different, children talk different, children play different. For some children, this realization, it is awareness, but without too much impact on them. On the other side, for other children, the differences become a foundation of comparison and judgment, which can have damaging consequences. Comparison can bring constant state of judgment, continually assessing whether we are better than or less than. Judgment with the feeling better than creates arrogance, and this can lead to bullying and discrimination. Judgment with the feeling of less than ruins self-esteem, and this can lead to self-criticism, self-doubt, and as children start to see everyone better than they are. Sometimes children spend too much time in admiration for other children, watching their other children gifts, and they fail to see their own gifts and talents. To understand our uniqueness, I share with children the story that is called The Sun, the Wind, and the Rain. The story is about three elements that fail to see their own uniqueness and always looking for the gifts of others. They soon realize that the only way that the earth can survive is if they each other start to embrace their own uniqueness. What children learn after listening this story? Children learn that the differences are what makes us unique. Whether it is our looks, personality, talents, interests, our unique skills are a gift, an opportunity to contribute to the world. Because the world needs all of us to thrive. Children learn to respect themselves and embrace their uniqueness while still appreciating the uniqueness of others. Children learn to embrace their uniqueness, and this boosts self-esteem and self-confidence. Children learn that being different, it is an advantage, that they don't have to feel less than or feel threatened by someone else. Being different also means thinking different. The younger our children are, the easier it is to teach them to accept the difference between themselves and others. So, how do you encourage your child to embrace his uniqueness and the differences that they see in their friends and their loved ones? Please leave me your comments. If you like this video, press the like button, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you all a lovely day. Bye.